Hi there guys, hopefully you're all doing well. Another garage update for you really. Got a few things to update you on, nothing I could really do a full video on unless I put it all together in one video. So I've been back from Italy a couple of days now. I'm still exhausted. Sleeping ever so well though. After going one night without sleep, it sort of resets your body clock and you can finally go to sleep at a normal time and sleep all through the night, so it's great. So we shall start by showing you the Fiat Coupe that I've had in a few videos. It's back from the paint shop. They've done a pretty good job on it, but they have left some dents there. So remember, there was a big dent down there, look. It's still there. There's a dent on the roof around this side. But the actual finish, other than being a little bit dirty, and a few of my grubby fingerprint marks on it, it's actually pretty good. But I think it's just quite simply a good little blowover. But as you can see, there's another dent, quite a big one being missed there. I know we missed that one. And loads of dink still in the door, but it is actually a really good finish. What I've been doing on it today, is the bonnet still open? I think it is. Well, actually what I was doing on it yesterday was, if I can open it, I've had to put a new AC compressor on. I've also put a new radiator on it so we can get it gassed up for the customer's Italy trip. I've got this GTV stuck on the ramp at the minute. I think I did this in the last garage update video. We've been waiting for part for it ever since. It's taking forever. I've been on a holiday. I thought the company had ordered it. I phoned them and apparently they haven't ordered it. So I've had to order one from somewhere else. So I'm still waiting for that to arrive. So that is stuck on the ramp still. It would be great to get that off because I've got the Fiat Coupe on then and on the steering rack. But unfortunately, because that's stuck on there, I can't get anything else on there. We've got a 2.4 Brera here. This is in for a clutch, flywheel and the whole shebang, but I've taken it apart. And unfortunately, the crank seal is peeing out oil. So we've had to order one of those. So that should be here tomorrow, so I can get this finished and then off the ramp. Engine for the 3.2 V6 should be back in September, so I can start rebuilding that and putting that in. For the Fiat Coupe, we also have a refurbished steering wheel, but I'm not going to get it out because I've got grubby fingers. I need to fit that before it goes away. Now my disappointing 147, I don't know what to do with it. I've ordered some shockers and stuff for the rear end, but an opportunity has come up for me to get a 1966 American Classic. I've always wanted to do an American car. And I'm not going to say what it is because I don't know if it's going to happen yet because he wants way too much money for it. But if that materialises, that means I'm going to have a big American car and no room to put it. And it's going to be sitting around until the Punto's finished because I swore to myself I'm not going to start another project until some of these others have gone. So it would be sitting around for 12 months plus before I even started it. So there's no point in you even knowing what it is. So my question to you, this 147 has got a couple of months MOT left on it. It's got a cam belt done, water pump serviced. It'll have a new shocker at the back and it'll be all ready to go. I'll even take the stickers off it for you, but I can leave them on if you want. If anybody wants to make me an offer on this, more than the £500 because I've put over £500 in labour into it and parts, let me know. And if you want a reasonable 147, you can. So it's no good to me really anymore. I would like to keep it, do it up and do some special things to it and take it to the Nürburgring next year, but you know me, I've got that many projects on the go and none of them are finished, so I don't want to start another one until at least the Punto's finished. So if anybody wants that, let me know. Outside. Now outside we're still full of cars. So outside we've still got this Fiat Coupe with the wiring problem. I can't touch this until September. We've got this Brera 3.2. That's just had a ton of paintwork done, all the rust done around the arches and everything, as well as loads of other full things. This is the one that was on the ramp which had the starter motor on it last time when I did the last garage update video. The Fiat 500 is going today, tomorrow. That has an ECU problem and it's a car trader's car, so he's just going to probably pop it back to the auctions. The sorry for it GT is still outside. If anybody wants any parts off that, that's going to get scrapped now because it's not getting used. I've got a reasonable interior, a very good engine on it, alloy wheels and stuff. So if anybody wants any parts off that, let me know because that one can go and get scrapped now. Red Fiat Coupe, that is waiting for September when I've got some more time so I can do a little bit of welding on it, because inside it, that's why the customer's stripped it all out. He does have some rust which needs taking care of. And you can't see the rust from underneath, so I'm going to have to get inside and cut it all out and weld it up. So that is pretty much everything to report. Oh yes, the 156 estate with the gear selector issues. the automatic one. I did order again, but it took a month to arrive. And unfortunately it didn't fit, even though I kind of thought it would but wouldn't. So all I've done is a temporary fix for the customer to get on their way. Is I've just sort of super glued it in place so it doesn't keep coming off, and at least you can select gear and move around without much of an issue. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit of a bodge I've had to do with that one, but it happens, unfortunately. The other 156 estate, it's all done. It is back on the road now, running and driving, but he has asked me now to repair this bit of rust down here, which I've started doing. But I've had to order a replacement sill section for it, so that's not going to be here until September now. So yeah, that's one of the things with garages. You just get stuck sometimes, and you have loads of cars waiting round because there's just a massive queue of work to be done. And if a couple of things just get delayed, it can put you out massively. It's like tomorrow, I'm supposed to have another car in to do a steering rack on, and the ramps aren't going to be free for me to do it tomorrow, and I'm not doing it on my back, no way. So it's going to have to wait until later in the day, till the Brera's off the ramp, so I can then do that. It's all stress, and my unit's a mess as well because I've had no time to do anything. So that's enough moaning from me. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you next week.